Hi, this is the VIVO T2 Pro and I'll show you how to customize AoD option on this device. First, let's just open the settings. And here tap to lock screen and wallpaper, select always on display section and click here to off screen styles, and here we could see just a lot of different stamps which we could use. We could use the analog clock, the signature, the digital clocks, the stickers, different stickers, and the personalized styles. So let's select one from them. We could switch here them also in style. Just let's use this one. Just tap to apply. Applied successfully. Let's go back. We could also switch here the display mode to show it all day, to set the schedule, the start, the end time, and to move the phone slightly to display. And also we could activate or turn off the notifications from any apps or to turn them off by click on each of the checkbox. So that's it. That's how to customize AoD option on our VIVO phone. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.